So, before I start this assignment with you, I wanted to give you a quick overview. So, here's something I want you to always think about. When a teacher becomes a teacher, one of the things that they should hold dear is the opportunity to build relationships with their students. When you build a relationship, it helps make that connection so that it's a little more than just student, teacher, test, assignment, etc. This means we go outside of just school. We learn a little bit about each other personality wise. So, for the next few slides, I want to help you compose your letter. So, for this slide, as you can tell, these are hyperlinks, and each link will link you to each section of this letter. So, the first thing you're going to see is the structure of the letter, which will start off with parts of the letter review. And what this is it's going to this link will lead you to a YouTube video that goes over briefly what the parts of the letter are. Of course, we will be talking about this in class, so don't forget to review your notes. Paragraph 1 is going to be about yourself. And I've given you some lead-in questions to kind of get you started. You know, First things first, tell me about yourself. What would you like to share with me that would stand out about yourself, who you are? Now, one thing you'll notice as we go through these slides is that at the bottom, there will be a hyperlink that will take you back to the structure of the letter. So anytime that you want to go back to that, you can. If not, just click anywhere and you'll go forward. Paragraph 2, describe your learning style. What strength can you bring to the class? What is something that you want to me to know about you as a student? Also, within that paragraph, what characteristics do you like or dislike about a teacher? Because what you have as a teacher can also help with that relationship. And then your last major paragraph is what are your goals for this school year? Since this is your beginning of the school year, it is you have a free range to set a goal for yourself. What is going to be your overall purpose for this school year? And be as specific with that purpose as possible. Don't just say, I want to get good grades. Be a little more specific with it. And for example, I want to be able to have read an entire book every month while I'm in school. That's specific. Saying I want to increase my reading, that's not as specific. Tell me about what can I do to help you be successful this year? Because I am able to help you. You just got to let me know what can I do? And how will you know once you accomplish that? Now, this last part of this Google slide is the rubric that we're going to be using. And you notice you're going to be graded on 4 parts. Did you include all the major parts of the letter? The presentation. Your final presentation will be typed. Conventions, which means that is your spelling, punctuation, grammar, did you pay attention to it? And then, of course, your content. Now, you are not graded on this letter for your opinion. When I read this letter, it's not about your opinion. It is about how did you follow the order of the letter? Does it have a flow? Or did you have just a bunch of random thoughts and I couldn't follow it? Once you have looked over you've looked over anything and you think, I have a question, I need to ask my question, make sure you ask it.